Good morning, chaps. It's Barry Skeen from Quicksilver Exhaust here. In the background there, you can see Ben, our technician. He is he is fitting a system to the fabulous Land Rover Defender. This is a 110 V8. It sounds okay from stock, but if you're on this video and you're a proud owner of one of these and you're a bit dissatisfied with the way it sounds, you've come to the right place. So we supply a sports exhaust system with sound architecture, so you can change the valves to on, off, louder, quieter, at a touch of a button. It sounds fantastic. Enough of me talking, let's hear it.
Dirty thing. That is brilliant. That's what I want. That's it. I'm just thinking about that. I reckon it's loud enough. I don't.
If you think you can beat that with your Defender, or you want a similar sound on yours and you're dissatisfied with what you've got at the moment, click the links below, let us know, and we can provide you, we can send you to a dealer worldwide where you get these fitted, or you can buy direct from us and we can send it out to you. Click the links below, subscribe, hit the bell, hear more crazy Defenders from us. Quicksilver Exhaust, the world's leaders in Land Rover and Range Rover exhausts. We will see you on the next one.